Welcome to Science in Seconds, where we break down complex scientific topics into bite-sized pieces. Today, we're going to learn how to tie a tie, but with a scientific approach. There are many ways to tie a tie, but today we'll be focusing on the four-in-hand knot, which is one of the most popular and easiest to learn. First, let's talk about the science behind tying a tie. The knot is essentially a complex knot theory problem, which involves manipulating a long piece of fabric into a precise and symmetrical shape. To tie a four-in-hand knot, start by placing the tie around your neck with the wide end on your right side and the narrow end on your left side, making sure that the tie is at the appropriate length. Next, cross the wide end over the narrow end, and then bring the wide end behind the narrow end. Then, bring the wide end back to the front, and then bring it down through the loop between your neck and the tie. Finally, bring the wide end over the knot from right to left, and then tuck it behind the knot and pull it down through the loop in front. And there you have it, a perfectly tied four-in-hand knot. But what makes this knot so special? The four-in-hand knot is a self-releasing knot, which means that it can easily be untied without ruining the knot shape. It also has a slightly asymmetrical shape, which gives it a more casual and relaxed appearance. In conclusion, tying a tie is not only a practical skill, but also a scientific one. By understanding the knot theory behind the four-in-hand knot, we can tie the perfect knot every time. Thanks for joining us today on Science in Seconds. We hope you learned something new about tying a tie. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more science content.